I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw Ferrari SF90 Spider, only way. Begin by blocking in simple shapes, an elongated rectangle for the body and 2 circles for wheels. Use a light pencil and keep strokes loose so you can refine later. Draw a center line to maintain symmetry and check proportions often. Place the cockpit slightly rearward and mark the hood and rear deck locations before adding more detail and contours. Next, refine proportions by narrowing the roofline and shaping the windshield into a sharp angle. Tighten the wheel arches so they slightly overlap the wheel circles, giving the car grounded stance. Lightly indicate door seams, intakes, and the rear haunch to keep flow consistent. Constantly compare front and rear overhangs to keep balance. Use gentle erasing to remove construction lines as the main panels and character lines emerge. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and voice control into your studio, making reference tracks and timing easier while you draw. It fits on a small shelf and can set timers for practice sessions, too. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Now add defining details like the headlights, grille, and emblem with confident, concise marks to capture the Ferrari identity. Draw wheel spokes and brake calipers to suggest performance hardware. Refine panel seams, mirrors, and air vents, then begin shading with soft gradients to emphasize curvature. Use cross-hatching lightly in shadowed recesses and keep highlights clean. Step back often to assess silhouette and adjust contrasts for a polished, dimensional finish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.